Hello, I am Dr. Rekha Jaiswal. Here I am going to present a PowerPoint presentation on regression analysis. This is a video lecture. Definition: the regression analysis is a technique of studying the dependence of one variable called dependent variable on one or more variable called explanatory variable with a view to predict the average value of the dependent variables in terms of the known or fixed values of the independent variables. The regression technique is primarily used to estimate the relationship that exists on the average between the dependent variable and the explanatory variable. Determine the effect of each of the explanatory variables on the dependent variable. Controlling the effects of all the other explanatory variables. Predict the value of dependent variable for a given value of explanatory variable. If this is linear dependence of this is constant rate of increase of one variable with respect to another, as opposed to diminishing returns. Regression analysis describes the relationship between two variables. For example, income and education level, demand for electricity and the weather, home sales and interest rate. Our focus: gain some understanding of the mechanics, regression line, regression error, learn how to interpret and use the results, learn how to set up a regression analysis. In regression analysis, the data used to describe the relationship between the variables are primarily measured on interval scale. The chief advantage of using the interval level of measurement is that with such data it is possible to describe the relationship between variables more exactly employing mathematical equation. This in turn allows more accurate prediction of one variable from the knowledge of the other variable, which is one of the most important objectives of regression analysis. It is important to note that if the relationship between x and y is curvilinear, the regression line will be a curved line rather than a straight line. The greater the strength of relationship between x and y, the better is the prediction. The problem is presented to mathematicians as follows. The values of a and b in the linear model yi equal to a plus bxi are to be found, which minimize the algebraic expression. Regression analysis is generally classified into two kinds, simple and multiple. Simple regression involves only two variables, one of which is dependent variable and the other is explanatory independent variable. The associative model in the case of simple regression will be a simple regression model. A regression analysis may involve a linear model or non-linear model also. The term linear can be interpreted in two different ways: linear in variable, linearity in the parameter. What are the formula we can use to solve the problems? Then we find the regression line x and y, where x is dependent and y is independent. X minus x bar equal to vxy into y minus y bar. The regression line y and x, y is dependent and x is independent. Then y minus y bar equal to byx, x minus x bar, where the regression coefficients are bxy equal to n sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y whole upon n sigma y square minus sigma y whole square, and byx regression coefficient equal to n sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y upon n into sigma x square minus sigma x whole square. Predict the selling process of houses in the region. Initially, we should compare the house for which we need a predicted selling price with houses that have sold recently in the same area of roughly the same size, same style, etc. Idea: treat it is a multiple sample problem. Unfortunately, the list of houses meeting these criteria may be quite small, or there may not be a house of exactly the same characteristic. Alternative approach of it: consider the factors that determine the selling price of house in this region. Collect recent historical data and selling prices and a number of characteristics about each household, like size, age, style, etc. What is about an idea? One sample problem. To predict the selling price of a house without any particular knowledge of the house, we use the average selling price of all the houses in the data set. Better idea is one of the factors that cause houses in the data set to sell for different amounts of money is the fact that houses come in various ranges. How do we evaluate and use the regression line? Evaluate the explanatory power of a model. Without using X, how do we predict Y? Determine how much of the variability in Y values is explained by the X. Measure variability using sums of squared quantities. The ANOVA table. The ANOVA is sought for analysis of variance. This table breaks down the total variability into the explained and unexplained parts. Total SS measures the total variability in the salary labels. Without using X, we will use sample mean to do prediction. The regression is the explained variation. It measures how much variability is explained by differences in budget. ARSS is the unexplained variation. This reflects differences in salary labels that cannot be attributed to differences in budget responsibility. Use of regression analysis where we can use regression analysis helps in establishing functional relationship between two or more variables. Since most of the problem of cause and effect relationship, the regression analysis is a highly valuable tool in economic and business research. Regression analysis predicts the value of dependent variable from the value of independent variable. We can calculate coefficient of correlation R and coefficient of determination R square with the help of regression. So, main thing is the prediction of any data. For that we can use the regression, and by the regression analysis we can predict any future estimation. Thank you.